$3,000 camera with a crisp, clean video. Not everybody has a $3,000 house with a crisp, clean, whatever, white cabinets and non-stainless steel, stainless steel, whatever. We don't. We don't. We have regular house and regular blah 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 and just regular. Everything is regular in this house, okay? So if you don't mind that, go ahead and subscribe, and that's what you're gonna see. Don't think me I have all those high quality stuff. I'm tired. I'm tired of trying to like compensate with what everybody has, what everybody like is trying to like in their house.